Good morning, students. Let's count with alphabets. 21 umbrellas. U for umbrella. 22 vases. V for vase. 23 watermelons. W for watermelon. 24 xylophones. X for xylophone. 25 yo-yos. Do you like playing with yo-yos? Y for yo-yo. 26 zips. Z for zip. Students, I hope you all have understood counting with alphabets. See you next time. Bye.